Hi English 12, it's Mrs. Sopiarz-Rianda. I hope this video finds you well and that you are ready to start a brand new unit, Unit 6, Writing Like a Researcher. Last unit, in Unit 5, we were reading like researchers, and we learned all these fantastic skills on how to read as a researcher. Now we're going to be applying all of the knowledge that you acquired in Unit 5, and we're going to be applying it in Unit 6. So this is where the fun starts. So clicking on Materials, you can see a couple of important dates. First of all, I want to draw your attention to the Unit 5 late work due date, which is Sunday, February 8th, and you can still earn up to 85% credit for work in Unit 5, except for discussions, if you submit it by the 8th. After the 8th, that unit, Unit 5, is closed. And I will create a little folder that says completed units, and I'll put it away. And work from that unit will not be accepted. So you definitely want to submit any late work from Unit 5 by that day. Remember, 85% credit, or up to 85% credit, is way better than 0. So be sure to work hard if you have late work and submit your late work by the 8th. Also by the 8th, your first session of Unit 6 is due, and you can see how our unit lays out here. We're basically, we have 6 weeks, more or less, in this unit, Unit 6. It's a big unit. It is worth a lot of credit, and it's really the bulk of your grade in this semester. So it's really important to stay on top of it because we are building every single week in Unit 6. So click on Unit 6, and you can see that this unit runs from the 2nd through the 8th, and the due date is February 8th? Yep, February 8th. That should be February 8th, not 9th. I'll be sure to change that. So click on Unit 1 in Session 6. Be sure to watch this video, obviously, as you should be, because you are watching it right now. And click on our video update and session plan. The video will be right here. And what we are going to be doing in this unit is, and in this session, we're going to begin our research process on one of Time's 100 most influential people of our time. Okay, so you will be choosing one person from this list to complete your research on and ultimately write your research paper on. And we're going to be discovering why this person is so influential in our world. Okay, so just scroll down here, and important announcements. The help session, as always, at 12 o'clock. It's basically, treat it like office hours, or like you're walking into my classroom if you have questions. There's that late date information. Here are all the assignments for our session, as well as a suggested schedule for the week. If you need help with your time management, this is where you go, okay? So clicking on Next. And as I mentioned, we're going to be applying the process that we used in Unit 5 on a new research topic. And you're going to find out all sorts of great information and tidbits about some of the most influential people in history. And here are the guiding essential questions for our session this week and your research this week. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to be choosing your topic and completing some initial research on your topic. You're going to look through this list of Times Magazine 100 most influential people, and you're just going to do an initial web search on the name. See who sounds interesting. Double check whether that person has both primary and secondary sources available, because you are going to be required to use both primary and secondary in the next 5 weeks. And remember that the most famous people may not always be might not be influential. So there's lots of people to choose from. The list, it's a developer of penicillin, the inventor of the suburbs, even the most famous advertising exec. So here's the thing. Once you have a topic, Everyone in class can only choose one topic. There's no repeats. So it is first come, first serve. So that's why I highly suggest that you choose your topic very early, because if you choose it by Sunday night, your pick will probably be gone, your top pick. So be sure to get into that list early and declare it as soon as you can. So once you do your initial research of who you might want, declare it on the discussion board. As I said, once someone has posted a particular topic, a person, that topic is no longer available for someone. So be sure that you check the list before posting your choice, because there's no double posting. People topics are first come, first serve. Okay? So you do that here. And then you begin your initial research on that person. And what you're going to do is follow these directions, and you're going to do exactly what we did in Unit 5. You're going to pick your person and research your topic using either Wikipedia or Britannica, and then take notes using one of the outlining notes that we did in Unit 5, outlining, sentence, Cornell, or Webb, and there is that 5 methods of note-taking right there. And then you can always go back to Unit 5 too for a refresher, and then you're going to submit your initial secondary notes into the Dropbox on the next page. Be sure that your notes include the source information. That includes the title of the author, the website if you found it online, page number if it's applicable, and detailed specific notes using one of the formats that we used in Unit 5. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to start your initial secondary notes right here. And then I highly, highly suggest that you find one biography for your person at the library, an actual book. It's just good reference to have in your hand as you are beginning the writing process and throughout the writing process. So be sure to go through that information to search and actually obtain an actual biography. So now that you have a basic understanding of your person, you're going to be creating 10 research questions about your topic. The first research question should be, why is this person influential in our world today? And then the other 9 research questions should meet these criteria. And then submit your 10 research questions into the Dropbox. And that's it. So up to this point, you've gotten an initial understanding of your topic. You've created some research questions that will guide your thinking. In the upcoming session next week, we're going to continue the research process by searching out high-quality primary and secondary documents and continue to explore why your research topic is influential in the world. If you have any questions this week at all, please contact me. I'm happy to help.